Okay, what I want to show you is a modification I engineered for my Brinkmann Smoking Pit Smoke King. This is a nice heavy-duty smoker. I've had it about 20 years. The only problem with it is that the fire bowl is designed to hold the charcoal, and of course as the charcoal burns, it gets covered over with ashes, and so your fire goes out, and so you're constantly having to add more charcoal on top, and then at the end of the cooking, you have a lot of partially burned charcoal down in the ashes. It's hard to keep the heat up. So after 20 years of frustration with it, I decided I got a little time, I think I'll fix that. So what I came up with is what you need to do is raise the cooking surface above the bowl. So I found this this nice Weber model 7440 grill, which is not quite the right size. However, it's close enough. And what I did was I just put some screws in the sides of the bowl so that it'll keep it centered in there, it won't fall out. Pretty simple solution if it works. So let me fire it up and see how this test works. I guess if you see this video, I guess it means that it worked. Otherwise, this will be deep sixed. Okay, one additional benefit of this is you don't really need a chimney to start your charcoal. I just wadded up a few sheets of paper, put it in the bowl below the charcoal, stack the charcoal up in a pyramid, very much like what would happen in a chimney. And so now we'll just light that. Give that a few minutes to catch up. The nice thing about this, you don't have to have any lighter fluid or like say a chimney. You don't have to transfer it. Plus it's kind of neat. Okay, we'll give that a few minutes and I'll show you how it worked. Okay, looks like that's working just fine. Let me just point out again here the way I did it was I just put some sheet metal screws in here stacked up on washers to give it a little height. But there's many ways of doing that. You could, for instance, just bend the edge of the bowl up 3 or 4 places, make some ears on there to keep it from wobbling out. I'm sure you can think of many other ways of doing it. So once again, the grate that I used was the Weber 7440. It's a 13.5 inch diameter grill. It's like less than $10 with tax. So after burning about a bucket of charcoal, you can see what's left on the top of the grate. Not very much, and most of that is about burned, but you see in the bottom it's just only ash in the charcoal bucket. So I think this did a pretty good job. Hope you find it useful.